Hey there, have you ever come across channels that kids just can't get enough of? These channels are like a daily dose of fun for kids all over the world. They feature bright animations, catchy songs, and relatable stories for both kids and parents.
Cocomelon!
No wonder they rake in billions of views every single month, and this allows you to create an online business that prints money for you. I mean, look at this channel. This channel is making up to $7 million per month only on ad revenue. A few years ago, this might have seemed impossible without a huge team to write songs, create scripts, and animate. And let's face it, hiring professionals is super expensive. But here's the game changer. With today's AI tools, you can create these videos easily and without spending a fortune. In fact, this video you're watching right now took me just a few minutes to make, and it cost me nothing. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to start creating your own animated kids videos. So everything starts with an idea? Don't worry if you're feeling stuck. AI tools can help with that too. For example, I just say to ChatGPT, give me ideas for an animated song video. And within seconds, it gives me something super creative. For this, I use a video generator AI. There are plenty of great options like Runway, Pika, Kling, and a newer one called Hilo. For this example, I'll use Hilo. This tool offers 1 day of free unlimited access for new users, where you can do unlimited generations and the results are amazing. No weird glitches or distortions. I simply copy the scene descriptions from ChatGPT and paste them into the video generator. After just a few minutes, my scenes are ready to download. And the best part? I can queue up to 3 prompts at a time to save time. So what we do is go to ChatGPT, copy the prompts one by one, and paste them into the Hilo text-to-video tool to create our animations. Sometimes it can take a few minutes to generate when a lot of people are using the tool at the same time in the free version. But as I said before, the good thing is we can put up to 3 prompts in the queue. This will take some time, so let's fast forward to the results. The scenes look perfect. We now need to download each clip. Now that we have the visuals, we need music to match. If you're not a singer, musician, or songwriter, no problem. AI tools like Suno AI make it super easy. Now we need to hit Create. Copy the lyrics that we generated earlier on ChatGPT and paste them over here. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and ask for the style of music. Then we copy and paste it, add the title, and let's create the music. Suno generated 2 songs. Let's listen to them and see which one fits our video the best.
Is whispering, the ocean so blue, the desert's changing, we don't know what to do, but we gather together in this moment so true. Under the starlight, we search for a clue. The squirrel on the branch, his tail held high, sea turtle glides beneath the whispering, the ocean so...
I like the first one better, so I'll download that one. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to put it all together. For this, I use a simple video editing app like CapCut. It's user-friendly and works great for projects like this. I upload the animated clips in the song, then arrange everything so the visuals match the lyrics perfectly. It's super easy to do, and once everything's lined up, I export the video. And just like that, it's done. Here's the result.
The forest is whispering, the ocean so blue, the desert's changing, we don't know what to do, but we gather together in this moment so true. Under the starlight.
Wow, isn't it amazing? Do you think the same? Let me know down in the comments. And that's it. A fully animated kids video created entirely with AI tools. It's amazing how much simpler this process has become. You don't need to be an expert in animation or music. You just need the right tools and a little creativity. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.